Be free, make mistakes, and try something different. Your job is to imagine someone else's life. Most difficult thing in acting. To walk yourself. This is for the first time in my life I have actually talked about my walk in this way. Acting is not what's happening inside you. It is a collaboration between your costume designer, actor, writer, everyone involved in it. It is about building up your character. Walking in front of the camera, not an easy task. Before the show time, cut off all the stuff from inside. Just focus. The moment it is action time, be the character. The beautiful moment is the moment when you look deep into the camera. I've experienced it many times and it's a beautiful feeling. And most of you will experience it soon. You are relaxed, focused, and within you, you want to showcase what you want to showcase, what you want the world to see. Let's utilize this time in building ourselves within us. Hi, this is Meesha, and this is my master's class, Meesha's Drama Classes.